Aren't you bubbly, you stupid soda?
Try all you want, but you can't...
Oh boy, have fun with what happens next.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Sprite! You're gonna be okay. We'll catch you to a doctor.
That hurts. Stop touching it.
Sorry. Sprite, you taste magnificent.
Huh? What are you... Help! Help! She's going crazy!
Wenda, what the heck are you doing? Let him go! Sprite! I had no idea you were so sweet. So delectable.
You're all crazy! Get away from me!
Sprite!
What have they done to you?
Are all the Sprunkies cannibals now?
No, guys. We're the same as we've always been.
Yeah, just a little thirsty. Can you help? Get away from us!
I'll take purple.
I've got orange. Everyone split up! I'm almost there. Maybe I can go hide in the woods. Wait, no! Ah! Yes! Every Sprunky for themselves!
I hope Orange is okay. We need to get out of the city, fast! Ah! Stop! Stop, please! Ah!
No, this can't be happening. Get her! You're monsters! All of you! We're not monsters. We're just thirsty.
You shouldn't be so darn tasty!
I've got to duck in there, even if it's just for a second. Open up, soda girl.
We're parched!
I can't hold them much longer. This won't hold. Not for long. They're coming in. I gotta move. There she is.
Don't let her escape!
There's nowhere to go. Oh, is this it? Am I gonna be burst open and chugged by a bunch of deranged Sprunkies?
Not today, you're nuts!
Ah! Coco, why are you here?
To save you, dummy! Let's go! You're welcome, by the way.
Sorry I didn't say thank you. I was a little busy trying not to die.
You would have. It's not for me.
Why did you come for me anyway? You don't normally care about anyone but yourself.
Whatever. Don't ruin my moment.
Look, dude, we don't have to like each other. But from what I've seen, we're the only soft drinks left. We have to stick together.
Me? Stick with you? I don't know, kid. You'll probably just grab my style.
Coca, you might wanna...
Wanna what? Give him my hero art to babysit you? Not
Sheesh, that's some carbonation.
You guys look refreshing.
Now are you glad I was here?
This was a one-time, rare occasion where your presence was helpful.
I'll take it. Come on now. Team?
Fine. We can probably rest here.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Wait! They're alive!
Not for long. The other Sprunkies drank us dry.
Coca, Peppy, we need you to fix this.
Get rid of their thirst.
We will, guys. We promise.
Dude, why'd you say that?
Say what?
That we're gonna, rescue everybody. I'm not doing that.
Well, I'm going to end this. Once and for all. With or without you.
Great. It'll be without me.
You're such a selfish soda, you know that?
I'm getting out of here. I already saved you earlier. Plus, there's no reversing whatever's going on here. We're outnumbered. I'm out.
Fine! Be that way! I don't need you! You're coming with us! Citizens of Sprunki City, your attention please! I, your fearless leader, have tracked down one of the final soda heads. Happy! You'll explode and create a perfect fountain of soda for all to enjoy as a people. How does that sound? You people are absolutely evil! I'm gonna get out of here! You...
Did someone say help?
Huh?
You guys gotta be more careful where you drop your weapons. Say hello to my carbonated friend!
How dare you!
How dare you! You think it's fine to drink another Sprunky just because you like it?
Coca! I don't have much longer!
I really didn't think you'd come back this time.
Yeah, neither did I.
Thanks for saving me. Maybe you really are a hero.
I like the sound of that.